Hello everyone, this is Chris with Sticker Fab. Today we're going to talk quickly and briefly about these CNC aluminum knobs. They are available in a variety of colors, notably orange, blue, green, black. I think we have purple and pink as well. It comes standard as a 6-piece set. We will be adding various sets. Next is a 5-piece set. We only have that in blue currently, but if you don't want to spend as much money or your target area is a little bit smaller than your entire vehicle, you can check those out. They are available at a reduced cost. I've been wanting CNC aluminum knobs because they spice up the interior a lot, and they usually don't cost that much, like in this instance. Beautiful smooth finish, and then we have two kind of chrome polished lines that go through the outsides of the knobs, and there's very fine knurling. So you have 4 pieces up here. You have 1 piece for the goat mode, and over here for that light knob, you also have an additional one. The 5-piece will drop that knob out, and then a 4-piece set will just be the AC dials. But I wanted to show you how easy these are to install. I haven't taken this off, and you can see we can move the dial, no problem. But if you apply a little pressure, it will come off. We can switch it out to our blue right there. I did bring a little vinyl to show you that the Badlands orange is a little bit lighter. If you're going to match vinyl, I would go with our standard orange, which is more of a hugger orange. But for the people that have the blue interiors, a lot of people have been getting this blue color. It's actually our most popular color. So if you haven't already, go to our website, check it out, grab a set. It would also be a great gift if you have a Bronco person in your life. Thank you guys for your continued support. Please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not already. Hit that bell notification icon as well for the latest and greatest things we are offering for the 2021 and up Ford Bronco.